Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI.
Looking for a jacket that's both stylish and practical? Check out this Rejork product. It's perfect for everyday use whether you're going to work, to school, or traveling. It's waterproof and has a removable hood so you can keep your head warm or not depending on the weather. It also has a backpack strap so you can carry it without wearing it. Your hands will also stay warm thanks to the thumb hole. And there are plenty of pockets on this jacket, so you can keep all of your essentials close by. My husband truly loves this feature. Plus, it has zippers on both sides, so you can move around easily. This jacket has everything you need for a warm and stylish winter. It's made of high quality material as well, and it comes in a bunch of different colors so you can find one that fits your style.
But that's just our point of view.